Food loss and waste is everyone's problem. It's time to take action. The earth is becoming hoarse from telling us not to waste food. And while we may not hear the spoken words, we certainly see the wear and tear on our environment. From farms and distribution centers to retailers and customers, the spectrum of the loss and waste of food can be seen at every level. Technically, food loss occurs before food reaches consumers due to inefficient harvesting techniques, inadequate storage and processing facilities, and poor distribution methods. Mold, pests, or insufficient climate control are other major factors that affect food quality at these stages. Food waste means food that is fit to consume but discarded at the market or consumer level. The Waste and Resources Action Program, WRAP, and the World Economic Forum are two organizations that have been warning countries of the disastrous impact that food loss and waste have on both society and global economies. Last September, the World Economic Forum presented statistics from 2022. The figures showed that 783 million people went hungry, while a third of the world's population faces food insecurity, and 150 million young children suffered from lack of essential nutrients, which affected their development. During the same year, around 1.05 billion tons of food were lost or wasted. Additionally, this food waste accounted for 8 to 10% of global greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions through its release of methane gas in landfills. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal (SDG 12) seeks to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. The United Nations hopes to cut per capita global food waste in half at the retail and consumer levels, and reduce food losses along production and supply chains by 2030. Achieving this goal will also benefit the environment. Because food production consumes about 70% of global fresh water and uses about 40% of the Earth's land, vast amounts of resources are being squandered when food is wasted. Economically, the cost of food waste globally is around $940 billion a year. If delivering clean water and sanitation to the world for 1 year costs about $150 billion, it is not difficult to see how valuable this loss is. Tackling food waste is no small task, and work needs to be done at every level of society. Food producers can ensure produce is harvested at the right time by using the correct equipment, thereby minimizing crop damage. Food distributors can track transportation systems to help keep food in good condition. Consumers can buy locally grown food and create a circular economy while keeping organic waste out of landfills. Food systems expert Clementine O'Connor encourages everyone to buy and cook the right amount and to eat their leftovers. Reducing food waste is not someone else's problem, it's ours. What can you do to help? Talk about it. How can governments and businesses work together to minimize food loss and waste? What specific steps can people take to reduce food waste in their daily lives?